Hey ROQ family, I'm Richard Tilley with ROQ US, and I'm here with another weekly tech tip. This time I'll be training you on counter 1 and counter 2 on your main display and how you can use those to measure the metrics inside your shop. On your main display here, you've got counter 1 and you've got counter 2. What I would use counter 1 for is whatever you're currently printing on now, whatever project you're working on currently, whether it's 500 pieces, 1,000 pieces, it just helps keep track of where you're at on that project. Now for counter 2, depending on how far out you're measuring your metrics, whether it be a week, a month, or even a year, that's what I would use counter 2 for. So you can keep track of your progress and your metrics, how far along you are during the week, month, or year. So to reset the counters, you click on them, click yes to reset, and they're back to 0. It's such a simple and powerful tool to use, counter 1 and counter 2. For more helpful tips like this, visit us at ROQ.us, and thank you for being our partner in print.